You must be seeing this product on TikTok and YouTube promising that you will get it for free. So let me tell you if this is a scam or a legit website with proof. So let's start. So first of all, if you will check their contact us section, they have not given their phone number here. They have just given this form to fill, and also they have given an email ID to contact them. Now if you will see their social media handles, they have given here on Instagram and TikTok account. They have got around 80K followers, and in just 24 posts, you can see in 24 posts they got 80K followers. I will tell you about this in the later part. So you will see on the product around 48 reviews are available, but if you will notice that these are all 5-star reviews, and that's not possible for any product. Some reviews are or will always be negative there, but many people are asking for can I get one for free, and these comments you can see these 5-star reviews are by those people who are asking it for free. Another thing to notice here that this website was registered just 2 months ago, and they have got around 80K followers on Instagram. That's not possible. So I don't think this is a legit product. You can try it.